Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha eyes. We'll explore the key elements that contribute to this powerful gaze, helping you project greater confidence and presence. It's about more than just looking at someone. It's about conveying a deep sense of self-assurance and calm authority. We'll break down the techniques into simple, actionable steps you can start practicing today to enhance your non-verbal communication. Confident eye contact is fundamental to achieving alpha eyes. Aim to hold a person's gaze for approximately 3 to 5 seconds during a conversation. Instead of staring intensely, try looking into one eye, then subtly shifting to the other. Remember to break eye contact naturally and briefly, perhaps by glancing to the side before re-engaging. Consistent practice will make this feel much more comfortable and natural. Beyond just your eyes, your entire facial expression and demeanor play a crucial role. Relax your brow and jaw to avoid tension, conveying a calm and approachable confidence. A very slight, subtle smile can soften your gaze without diminishing its power. Combine this with good posture, keeping your shoulders back and head level, to project an overall sense of relaxed alertness and control. Ultimately, true alpha eyes are a reflection of inner confidence. Focus on building your self-esteem through personal growth and achieving small victories each day. Practice mindfulness to stay present and focused during interactions, which naturally enhances your gaze. Consistently applying these techniques, combined with a strong inner foundation, will make your confident eye contact feel authentic and powerful over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.